You always get good marks at school. You're lucky. I study, but I don't always get good marks.
I'm not lucky. I know how to study. I always do 3 things. Do you want to know them?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Number 1, always study in a quiet place.
I usually study in my bedroom. It's very quiet.
Number 2, have a clear desk.
Right. A clear desk. My desk isn't clear. There are lots of papers and books and pens on it.
Well, that isn't very good.
What's tip number 3?
Have lots of breaks. I always study for 30 minutes. Then I have a break for 5 minutes. I move my arms and legs and drink some water. Then I study again for 30 minutes.
I never have a break. I sometimes study for 2 or 3 hours.
That isn't a good idea. It's important to get up and move your body.
Okay, thanks. Next time I think I can get good marks.